What's up, fam? It's your girl Sheree Nicole, and I am back with another video. Yes, honey. So in today's video, you already know, but we're gonna get into this three-piece set that I got from Amazon, baby. Stay tuned. Yes, y'all, so as you guys saw, this is a three-piece set and I am absolutely here for this. This, I feel like you could wear it to the airport. You could definitely wear this to the movies. You could go on brunch, lunch, dinner. You know what I'm saying? Just a chill, relaxed vibe. Like, it's almost giving a loungewear and I love it. So they do have multiple colors and y'all already know I'll put it up on the screen along with my measurements. But baby, this is so cute. So I chose to get brown, and I know it's kind of blending in with your girl's skin tone. I don't know what possessed me to get brown, but this is the color that I chose and I absolutely love it. So I think it looks good, you know what I'm saying? Especially for those neutral occasions where you don't want to be outlandish and stuff like that. This goes really well. I feel like it goes really well with gold accessories, which is why I said, okay, let's do the brown and let's kick it up a notch. So you could definitely have your necklace on. You could definitely have a bracelet with your gold earrings and stuff like that. And I feel like that's a good pop along with your white sneakers. Like, that's just gonna look so fire. Like, you're just gonna look so cute no matter where you go. So this is definitely a very chill and relaxed type outfit. And this is by the company that I will put up on the screen, because once again, I can't say their name. I think it's just letters. It's like a VIA or something like that. And I don't want to mess it up. So I'll put it up on the screen, okay? And then also, guess what size this is, honey? Because you know my try-on hauls are plus size, honey, okay? So you know I gotta keep my plus size girlies on lock. Ow! So this is in a size 1X, and they do have ranges that go all the way up from 1X all the way up, honey, okay? I will definitely let y'all see that on the screen, but baby, this is so cute. Let's get into the material, because the material is well done. Like, the stitching is really good. No problems here. It does have a little bit of stretch. It's not like a lot of stretch. It's very little give, very little. So the 1X suits me fine. Like, stretching it this way, it stretches. But as to stretch it as a whole, like, you know, the long way or whatever, it doesn't really stretch. And then let's get into the pocket details, baby, because I'm absolutely loving that three-piece set comes with pockets, and I'm here for it. They kind of almost blend into the shorts. Like, you can't even see that there's pockets there, but they're there. So I love that about this. And of course, who could go wrong with a tube top, honey? I mean, come on. You can't go wrong with that. Also, I feel like since this whole piece came as a set, and let's say you don't want to be all brown and all like neutral and stuff like that, I definitely feel like you could pair this with a different tube top, maybe like a white tube top just to set it off, and then have your white sneakers on the bottom. I think that would be really cute, y'all, like really cute. So look at this. I mean, come on, you gotta love it. I'm saying. Even if you did have the white tube top, I think it would be really, really cute. Like, I'm really loving this. Like, I just feel like this is a good look. And you just throw this over your shoulder like, yes, darling, let's go out for dinner or whatever. Like, you can dress this up, okay? You can put a heel on and look cute. I wouldn't say some tall heels, but you could definitely put a heel on and look cute for the night and go out dancing or, you know, whatever it is that you need to do. This outfit right here is gonna get the job done. Yes, y'all. Comment down below. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to your girl if you haven't already, because you already know we get it on and popping over here with a little bit of everything. And on that note, y'all, I'm gonna say goodbye. All right, guys. Bye. I love you. Stay blessed.